Today in this video, let's go through algebraic identity 1. What is a plus b the whole square? Let's expand it. We get a plus b into a plus b. Now let's multiply a plus b with a plus b. So we get a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. Let's add both the like terms ab and ab. So we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we got that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us practice some questions based on this identity. Our first question is expand 2x plus 5y the whole square. Let's recall the identity. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in this question, let's take a as 2x and b as 5y. Now by using the identity, we expanded to 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 5y plus 5y the whole square. 2x the whole square is equal to 4x square plus 2 into 2x into 5y is 20xy plus 5y the whole square is 25y square. We got the solution. Here is our next question. The side of a square is x squared plus 3y. Now our goal is to find the area of the square. So it's been given that the side of the square is x squared plus 3y. Now we have to find the area of the square. We know that area of a square is equal to side into side. So is equal to x squared plus 3y into x squared plus 3y. As x squared plus 3y is the side, we are using the formula to find the area of the given square. So we can write it as x squared plus 3y the whole square. Now let's recall the identity. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in here we take a as x square and b as 3y. So let's expand it. So x square the whole square plus 2 into x square into 3y plus 3y the whole square. Now x square the whole square is x raised to 4 plus 6x square y plus 3y the whole square is 9y square. So the area of the square is x raised to 4 plus 6x square y plus 9y square.